Hello everybody, it's me, and today we're going to post another video of my organizations. But as you can see, I have not been posting a lot because there's two problems. First of all, I have been getting so many copyrights and I don't know what to do. My channel, I don't have the greatest setup. It's only my iPhone. So let's get started. But before we get started to the video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button into the face right now, because we are trying to get our goal into 15 subscribers. Yep, that's our goal. But when we hit 15 subscribers, our next goal is going to be 30 subscribers. So hit that subscribe button and like button. So, I'm going to be, showing my face today. Yep, I'm going to be showing my face. So, I think the puppets are going to go in this drawer, my newest drawer, because this is wider, and these two are not that much wide, so they can kind of puppets like this, and they're just much better, look newer. So let's first get started to this one. Actually, I think I want to put my stress balls in this drawer, and stress balls are heavy and they might weigh down the drawer. So first, the stress balls. One of my favorites, the Orby stress ball. Going right back there, next to the hamburger. I'm always wondering, why do they call it the hamburger? There's no ham in the burger. I just don't know. Okay. Then put that. There's a problem with this fidget. I know it's really great. I like it, but it's this drawer is wide and not tall. Except these drawers. These drawers are tall as well. Okay, so next, I'm gonna put this, and this. This drawer is getting populated now. I think it's going to be our last one. Yep. You see my problem? They're not closing. Okay, this second drawer, I'm gonna again put stress balls. And where was that? I literally saw it. Oh. These are my more little stress balls, like these, as you can see. So yeah. I think I had I had another one. So, I've been meaning to show this guy here. I got a new fidgets. We have been to Iraq recently. It's there was a day, Ashura, it's called that, and yeah, we gone there. It is only a few cents, that is not a few cents, but less than $1. Maybe one of these for just $2 or $1. This is less than $1. Better. So much good. Recently one of my stress balls had poor air conditions, and the air was keep getting out. Oh my gosh, why won't you stay in here? So that broke, so that is it. Is that really it? I think I have more, and are they gone? I think I put them at here. No, I have not. Okay, so let's get to this drawer. My puppets. Just look at the sound. Let me do it ASMR. Wait, let's get to the better side. Super good. Yep, it's one of the best sounding puppets. Ooh, this one. Where was that? Oh, I really just said. Can just do it again. This one is a really small one. Yep. And super high quality. So let's get to another drawer. Put these two. Again. And my dimples. I'm putting the dimples and the puppets together because the dimples are like rare. Sorry, today I'm just not feeling that okay. So that's why I'm starting. Okay, so what should we outfit? Oh, my donut. Where should I put my donut? Is it going to fit in here? Yes, it is. How are the bottoms? Oh, we're gonna put these. Where's another one at? I always just here, hiding under my another pocket. Yep, that's super high quality as well. Okay, the last one is down front. Let's get to this drawers, but they're already full because my friends, they just always stay like that. So now we're kind of moving into here, the gray drawers. So I think the bottom ones are going to be like, wait, I have more stress balls. No, I couldn't fit this too. I'm gonna put these at the bottom. Yeah, my stress balls. I have the most fidgets I have are like stress balls or random fidgets. Like randoms are basically like fidgets that like where it's big enough, like I cannot give this a whole entire drawer for itself. So yeah. I actually found out my chicken was not a fidget, so that's not going in my collection. My fidget collection, that's going in my toys collection. So yeah, just getting all the fidgets near me. Sorry for this monstrosity. Oh my gosh. Okay, first we're gonna put these two. Let's just first close this door. This. Right here. Perfect fit. Then this. I'm gonna put these in here. And I have got another new fidget. I think these are fidgets. Like, I know, like a lot of YouTubers, I'm gonna say this is not a fidget, but I personally think it's a fidget. Guys, if you want to let me, know, do a counting fidget video, hit the like button. You're reaching for, 2 likes. If you want to, like the fidget counting video, but if you don't want to for the fidget counting video, do 1 like. Yeah. No. Actually like 4 likes for us to do it, and only like 3 likes us to not do it. Yeah, that's much better. My cute fidgets. Actually this my uncle gave me hashtag. I think he has a YouTube channel, and yeah, so he like makes videos, so like talking about stuff, but if you're like from America, you won't understand because like you're from Iran and he's taking it for you. So yeah. Shout out for my uncle Rizal. Ouch. Let's put it in there. My mochis, okay, my snappers. Just give a little bit of space. I don't think these are going to fit. It used to be like it later, but now it's like a fidget toy. Okay, now put these in here and close inside drawer because it's so populated. Now for this drawer. This drawer is quite empty actually. Okay, just these. You know what these are? Like, same as like the lighter. Do you know that I actually made this myself? It's a marble mesh, and you could like change the marbles. Yeah, I could change the marbles, and it won't pop out. That's a really good idea that I have made.